So I've got a few questions for you because I want to see if you have been really paying attention to this video or not. You better have. So here's the first question. For each question, I want you to pause the video, think about the answer for a few seconds. When you're ready, continue watching. So here's the first question. What is an expression? An expression is a piece of code that produces a value. Here's an example of an expression. What do you think is the value of this expression? Well, here we have this string. We're multiplying this by 3. So the result will be a string of 3 asterisks, like this. Here's another question. What is a syntax error? A syntax error is a kind of error that is due to bad syntax or bad grammar in the code. And finally, the last question. What does a linter do? A linter is a tool that checks our code for potential errors, mostly in the category of syntactical errors. So if you have grammatical issues in our code, the linter will tell us before running our program. Okay, that's it for now. If you like more quizzes and programming exercises, look at the link below this video. And if you have enjoyed this video, I hope you have, please support me by giving a thumbs up. Please like this video and share it with others. In the next section, we're going to look at the fundamentals of Python.